Hi, this is Roger on Redneck Solution. Today we're going to talk about working on our bicycles. I noticed as I got a little bit older, I started getting a little bit fat. So I tried some exercises, and running wasn't that good because it's too much work and I'm a little on the lazy side. So I got on my local internet site and found a used bicycle for $85. It's a real nice Schwinn bicycle. The crossbar is a little bit tall for me, so I have to be real careful. And then I found out that these bicycles, you got to work on them every now and then. And in order to work on them correctly, you have to suspend them. And I found out that to buy a rack to hold them on is about 3 times more than what I paid for the bicycle. So I came up with a solution to suspend my bicycle for maintenance. I went down to my little local discount tool supply store and I bought a little bar clamp for around $10, and I mounted it on the garage ceiling with the 2x4. I got a bungee cord up here for just to help it stay up a little bit. It stays up out of the way so you can still park your car in your garage. And when you're ready to use it, you loosen up this wing nut and down she comes. Tighten back up the wing nut. And you've got a nice clamp set here. And you take this fine precision bicycle. Oh, you can pick it up with one hand if you exercise. You put that bicycle in there. And you close down that clamp. A couple squeezes on the jaw. You're ready to go. Instead of paying $300 to adjust your bicycle, try paying about $10 and doing your Redneck Solution. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.